The Art of Saying No by Karen Emmerich. Sometimes we have customers that are just never happy, and it can become hard to say no to customers' requests. We must remember that if we say yes to this customer's unreasonable request, we may end up with more angry customers in the end. In this presentation, I will teach you how to say no in a way that turns these angry faces into this happy face. Sometimes our employees may feel as if they are a nut in a vise squeezed between upper management and the customer. They want to make you, their bosses, happy by keeping the customer happy. Sometimes, though, that is impossible, and it is not what the employee should do. The employee needs to know how to say no. Why is this important? As the employee feels the stress of upper management pressures and the pressures of keeping a customer happy, they may decide to leave. We spend on average $1,308 per employee per year on training. That is an increase of 20% in the year 2019. So how do they say yes? Teach your employees to say no by saying yes. Tell them to say things like what they themselves can do, that they know they can do. Ask them to use what-if statements and why-not statements. Teach them to give the customers options. When the customer feels like they are in control by having a choice, they are happier customers. Teach the employees to open doors to new ways of thinking by painting a picture of all the possibilities that they can achieve. Employees do not want to be puppets, and you don't want to be a puppet master by micromanaging everything that the employee does. Teach them why to tell the customer why. When you tell a customer exactly what will happen, could happen, or most possibly could happen, you are saying no. You are teaching them the possible negative outcomes of why you are saying no. You can also teach them how to say the positive outcomes, why they should listen to you, why the customer will be happy if they do what you ask them to do. Teach your employees to be a team. Get other employees to back each other up when they are having problems with a difficult customer. Remember, the customers came to you because you are the experts. That is why they came to you. Share with the customer exactly how they are making the employees feel. When the employees are free to express how they're feeling in a non-confrontational way, then the customer will learn that they need to be respectful. Lastly, the employee needs to know that you will back them up. If they have said no to a customer, you will back them up and support them in that decision. When employees feel empowered to say no, they will be happier and more productive employees. They will not feel the pressure quite as hard from the customers or from you, their manager.